Good morning, everyone. Last class, we discussed about estimation, importance of the estimation, definition of the estimation. In today's lecture 3, we will discuss about general items of work in building. What are the general items? As I discussed in the first class, RCC footings, columns, beams, slabs, brickwork, flooring, plastering, painting. In general items, we know that the quality of the material, what is the class of the material, what is the kind of work. This is very useful in the construction of the work, and it helps to form a general idea of building. I will show you related figures. See, this is foundation. Observe carefully. This is very important in coming topics. This is a uniform foundation. This is sloped foundation. This is RCC column. This is RCC footing. Under the footing, we will have plain cement concrete. The concrete PCC proportion may be different. 1:4:8. 1:5:10. What is 1:4:8? 1 cement, 4 sand, 8 coarse aggregates. This is specification of the PCC under the column. This footing is with uniform thickness. This is sloped footing. This is like this. This is isolated footing. Next, this is also footings. How the reinforcement placed in the footings. See, observe carefully. This is stepped footing. Above that, you will have columns. This is column reinforcement. This is stirrups. In the footings, you will see mesh of reinforcement of different sizes. Next, we will have columns, RCC columns. You observe this one. This is the column size. It may be 230 mm into 330 mm. Maybe different sizes we will have columns in the structure. This is a general item in the construction of the work. This is brick masonry, brick work of thickness 230 mm. See, if you observe this one, you will understand what is the brickwork. See, what is the specification? In the brickwork, the brick quality, first class quality of the brick or second class, and mortar, cement mortar is 1:4, 1:6 or 1:8. Depend upon the specification. This is brickwork. Next one is flooring. See, This is ordinary cement flooring. The cost may be less than marble or tiles flooring. This is one type of flooring. See, next one is this is marble flooring. You know what is the cost of the marble flooring? It will vary from 40 rupees to 40 rupees per square feet to 10,000 rupees per square feet. Maybe more. And similarly, granite floor. See, nowadays you will see wooden flooring. Generally, in Western countries, other countries, where materials are not available in Singapore, Malaysia, like that, you will see wooden flooring. Nowadays, in Hyderabad also, you will see this type of flooring. See, observe specifications. See, flooring, ceiling, walls, finishing. See, this is the about specification. Okay. In flooring also we observe many types of flooring. And this is plastering. How they are doing plastering with different proportions. Maybe 1:4, 1:6, 1:8. What is 1:6? 1 cement, 6 sand. See, after mixing, plastering, they will do the plastering. Next one is painting. You know, you will have different type of paints in the market. This is painting. So these are general items of the works. They describe the nature and class of works and what are the materials to be used in the work. And it describes the quantity of materials, proportion of the mortar, workmanship, which are not mentioned in the drawing. In the drawing, sometimes you may not observe the material quality. Marble, just marble, but the rate and quality will vary according to your cost of the marble material, marble stone. Proportion. What is the proportion of the mix? And drawings and specifications collectively define the full structure. In drawing and specification, you will have defined specifications. What are the factors will affect specifications? First one is the nature of the work, strength of the material, availability of material, quality of materials. What is the nature of work? Whether it is a residential building, commercial building, industrial building, or any other construction of or any other structure. Strength of the material. You know what is the strength of the coarse aggregates or sand, and with mix will vary. This is strength of the material. We will do the availability of material. See, in the construction, this is one of the important point. If materials are available nearby, the cost will be reduced. As I said, particularly in India, we'll have marble and granite stone. Whereas, like in Singapore, you may not find these things. So there they will go for wooden flooring, and here generally we'll go for marble, tiles or granite flooring. Quality of materials. Depend upon the cost of the material, definitely quality is one of the important point. According to quality, the cost will be increases. As cost increases, the quality of material increases. So these are all the factors which are affecting the specifications. So these are very important points to define these specifications. Nature of the work, strength of the material, availability of the material, quality of the material. As we discussed, in flooring, you can go for ordinary flooring, tiles flooring, mosaic flooring, cement flooring, marble flooring, granite flooring, epoxy flooring, and wooden flooring. And in these also, the quality vary with cost of the material. This is one of the important point. And you have to check availability of material. If you are unable to find the required material nearby, you have to go for alternative material, and you have to test aggregates in the lab. So these are very important points in designing these specifications, and we will see in next class standard units.